Creating an account on Fiverr for health and beauty services involves several steps to set up your profile and start offering your services. Here's how to do it. Sign up on Fiverr. Go to the Fiverr website and click on the Join button at the top right corner. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Set up your profile. After registering, complete your profile by adding a professional photo, writing a brief bio, and detailing your skills and experience related to health and beauty services. Highlight your expertise, certifications, or specializations. Create a seller account. Once your profile is complete, click on your profile picture, select Switch to Selling, and then click on Become a Seller. Follow the prompts to provide additional information about your services. Select your services. Choose specific HBA services to offer, such as skincare consultations, makeup tutorials, wellness coaching, or product reviews. Create your gig. Click on Gigs and select Create a new gig. Write a compelling title, description, and set pricing for your services. Include high-quality images or videos showcasing your work. Publish your gig. Review your gig details and click Publish to make it live.